Exercise 4.3. First question. Given a parallelogram ABCD. Given a parallelogram ABCD. Complete each statement along with the definition or property used. First one, AD is given. Second angle DCB. Third angle OC. Fourth point, angle DAB plus angle CDA is equal to dash. Now here first we have to see here this ABCD is a parallelogram. You know the properties of a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. So here AB is parallel to DC and AB is equal to DC here. Similarly, here AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. And also AD is equal to BC. Now here AC is a diagonal, AC is a diagonal and BD is also a diagonal. Both the diagonals are intersecting at point O. Both the diagonals are intersecting at point O. Okay. Now see here. Now first point. Now here angle A is equal to angle C. That means opposite angles are equal. Here opposite angles are equal. Similarly, angle B is equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle D. This also opposite angles. Next point, here angle A plus angle D, sum of these adjacent angles. Sum of these two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree. So, here adjacent angles, these angles are said to be adjacent angles. Similarly, we can take angle A plus angle B, that is equal to 180 degree. And also we can take here angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree and angle C plus angle D equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now, here diagonals bisect each other. Next point, diagonals bisect each other. Okay. So, here OD is equal to OB, then OA is equal to OC. Now, let us see what are the given points here. First point, AD. AD is given here. AD. This one side is given. AD is the side. AD is equal to what is here? BC. That means opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. So, first answer is AD is equal to BC. So, what we should write reason here? Definition. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. Opposite sides of a parallelogram opposite sides of a parallelogram is equal. Okay. Next point, second point, angle DCB. Now see in that figure, angle DCB, that is equal to which angle? Angle DAB. Why? These two are equal because opposite angles. So, angle DAB. So, opposite angles of a parallelogram. Opposite angles of a parallelogram is equal. So next come to the point, third point. What is the third point here? OC. Now see in this diagram, OC, this is a diagonal. Diagonals bisect each other. So here OC is equal to OA. Okay, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Similarly, next point, what is the fourth point? Angle DAB plus angle CDA. Now see here, DAB plus CDA. That means sum of these two angles, sum of these two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree. So this is equal to here 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angles is 180 degree. Okay, is it clear?